TimeFlip is a unique productivity tool designed to help you manage your time, but before you make the purchase, there are a few things you need to know. It's definitely a good option, but depending on your needs, it might not be the best one for everyone. Let's go over 12 things you should consider before investing in TimeFlip. First off, TimeFlip is a time management tool that focuses on helping you break down your tasks into manageable chunks. It's a physical device with a customizable interface, which makes it stand out from digital time trackers. This can make it more tangible for those who prefer something they can hold and interact with, unlike apps that rely solely on your phone screen. However, compared to competitors like Trello or Todoist, which offer more extensive project management features, TimeFlip might feel limited if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. The next thing to consider is its design. The TimeFlip device is shaped like a 12-sided polygon with a colorful LED light display. You can customize each side with specific tasks, making it easy to switch between them with a simple flip. While this visual aspect can be motivating for some, it's definitely not the most portable solution. Unlike mobile apps, you'll need to carry this physical device with you, which may not fit into everyone's workflow. Third thing, the TimeFlip device is not just a timer. It's also an interactive tool that uses visual cues to help you stay focused. The lights change colors as you progress through your tasks, creating a visual representation of your work. For those who need that extra layer of engagement, this can be helpful. But if you prefer a more minimalistic approach, apps like Focus Booster or Be Focused might suit you better. The fourth thing to note is the customization options. TimeFlip offers a unique level of customization where you can assign different tasks or goals to each side of the device. This can be a fun way to keep track of various activities, but it's still somewhat limited compared to the customization available in digital task managers like Notion, where you can create complex workflows and even integrate other tools. Moving on, the fifth thing to know is its price. While not overly expensive, TimeFlip is a one-time purchase for the physical device. This may be a good option for those who dislike subscription-based services. But if you're looking for a subscription model that gives you cloud synchronization across multiple devices, apps like ClickUp or Monday.com offer that flexibility. The sixth point, TimeFlip's battery life. It uses a rechargeable battery, which is fairly long-lasting, but it does require charging after a few weeks of regular use. It's not a big deal for most, but if you prefer devices with longer battery life or no charging at all, some apps might serve you better, especially those that don't require any physical device at all. The seventh thing is its simplicity. TimeFlip's approach is straightforward. Set your tasks, flip the device, and track your time. This simplicity is great if you need a quick and easy tool, but it may not be enough for those who want in-depth analytics or advanced features like time tracking reports that apps like Rescue Time or Toggle can provide. Next up, TimeFlip's physical aspect could be a downside for some. If you're someone who enjoys working entirely digitally, you might find it inconvenient to have an extra gadget on your desk or workspace. Apps on your phone or computer provide much more convenience, and you don't need to worry about carrying around anything extra. The ninth point, the size. TimeFlip is compact, but it's still bigger than most mobile apps or even some other physical planners. If you're tight on desk space or don't want to add another item to your workspace, this could be a concern. In contrast, apps like Forest or Habitica run directly on your phone and don't take up any physical space. The 10th point is the limited number of features. While TimeFlip does its job well as a timer and task manager, it doesn't offer the wide range of productivity features that digital tools like Todoist or Notion provide. For example, you won't get the same project management or collaboration tools with TimeFlip. If you need something more robust, consider one of those alternatives. 11th, TimeFlip is best suited for those who are visual learners or need a physical cue to stay on task. If you're the type of person who benefits from visual representations of progress, this could be a good fit. However, if you prefer a less tactile, more streamlined experience, apps like Trello or Asana might work better for you. Finally, TimeFlip is a solid tool for certain people, but it's not for everyone. If you're someone who values physical tools for time management, this can be a fun and engaging solution. However, for those looking for advanced features, cloud syncing,